Hey guys, as you can see, I'm so drenched. It's like 90 degrees here today, tomorrow, after tomorrow. I just finished wiring up the car, putting the engine harness back through the engine bay and connecting everything. I'm going to be driving the car back to the shop to get the cage finished. It's like an hour and 10 minutes away, but I'm just really impatient because I haven't been doing anything any of these days. Could have been painting my cage, but because the dude forgot the foot protection, I need to get that done, so I'm really getting impatient. Dan was going to trailer for me, but sadly Dan doesn't get home until like 6 or 7 every day, so I don't think we'd be even able to trailer it until like maybe the weekend. So I'm just going to drive it. My car's reliable. My car's actually more reliable than the Sentra. You guys can see. Jesus. Oh, it's so hot. The whole camera's going to condense now. So basically this entire harness right here, it was completely in the interior, so I had to run it through that hole, plug the ABS back in, run it through, connect it to the headlight, connect it to the air conditioning, connect it to the ABS, the coolant sensor, the coolant temp sensor, the fan relay sensor. There's like a lot of stuff. In here I wrapped up the harnesses. You can see an electrical tape, and I'm going to be zip tying it to the cage because the main thing is this exhaust tunnel gets really hot. Once again, sorry about the condensation. It's like 90 degrees outside. And then after that, all I have to do is just throw in the passenger or the driver's seat, and that's really it. Then we can drive. I plugged in the cluster, as you can see, so I know how much gas I have and my miles per hour and stuff. And then I plugged in the light switch, so I can have full functioning headlights and taillights and turn signals and stuff. Here's another look at the cage. I'm gonna put the seat in now. Alright, let's fire it up. Oh, the wipers are on for some reason. Okay, I got the wipers to turn off because I disconnected the switch. I'm sure somewhere here it's probably enabled, but whatever. Okay, take two. So guys, I just made it. It's so hot. The last wow, I'm really sunburned too. The last like 30 minutes I've just been in like stop and go traffic with this thing. The first half hour was good, but yeah. There's the guy now, he pulled up. It's disconnected. That's the foot bar.
Hello! If you can hear me, it's about to start downpouring and thundering. As you can see by the sky, maybe. Yeah! I'm trying to drive us south as fast as possible because the rain is all in the north. It's downpouring right now. Everything's pouring on me through the sunscreen, or the sunroof. This is horrible. I can't even see anything.
So tired. That was horrible. Kidding, it wasn't hard. No, it was horrible because of the rain. It started raining again. Like 10 minutes after that first clip. It stopped and it was like sunny and stuff, and then we got on the turnpike and you saw lightning and we were going towards it and it started downpouring again, but it wasn't that bad. I'm already soaked, so it's like whatever. My seat's a little bit damp. There's puddles in my back seat, something like that, but luckily the nice interior isn't in here or anything. Also, when I was driving on the turnpike, literally to the left of me, I mean maybe like 500 feet to the left of me, lightning came and it hit a transformer at an electric station.
Lightning just hit that thing right there. Whoa! Luckily, I'm not surrounded by metal or anything.
Now tomorrow I'll probably start sanding down all the bars with acetone and stuff like that, and then paint it white. So, also about that SEMA competition, I got flagged for apparently cheating using the voting system, because apparently they said there was like thousands of votes coming in at the same time, and I was just like, I don't know. So they removed my profile, but it's not really a big deal because there's actually going to be what is it called? There's going to be a competition called Tuner Battlegrounds, and that starts September 4th to October 12th. And on September 4th, it actually shows the votes that you have. You have to log in with Facebook in order to vote per day, so it's more legit. And it actually says who's in first place and stuff like that. So, and also the top two get to go to SEMA. They get their car shipped, everything paid for. You get a flight there and everything. So that's pretty cool. And probably when it's there, I'll probably just, I don't know, drive it to like California or something like that. But hopefully, you know, everything will work out. My stress has gone down a little bit since the last video, because now at least some things are done. I'm very hot, very tired, very dizzy. Have a great day, guys, or have a good night whenever you're watching this.